On behalf of Bit Wizards, I want to welcome everybody here. Thank you for coming and sharing this very special day with us. 22 years ago, Lewis and I started this company together in a little office over in Shalimar. To think that we're here today is absolutely amazing. It's the start of a really great tech park, and it brings in very high-paying jobs for people in our community.
Every open room, welcome to come inside. There's many video displays that highlight different aspects of our company, our history, the Be the Magic Foundation, the MITS, Managed Services. So any room that's open, feel free to walk in. The video's playing, you may want to watch it.
There's plenty of food, there's drinks, there's going to be music. Please, 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 you are all welcome. Our house is your house.
2, 3.